It is well known that it's impossible to create files named con in DOS and Windows. The reason is that it's a reserved name for the console device. Actually, a similar situation was in another operating system before DOS, CP/M. Here I would like to show some examples how it worked. The command is pip. It can create a new file from the console. You have to type the name of the file equals con. Con is used as a drive, so there is no conflict with the files in the file system. To end the file, we type Ctrl+Z. Pip can also show the file on the screen if we type con equals the name of the file. In DOS it works in a similar way, but we use the command copy, and the order of its arguments is the opposite. So we type copy, con, and the name of the file. To end the file we type Ctrl+Z, Ctrl+M. Copy also can show the file on the console. So we type copy, the name of the file, space, con. In Linux it's also possible to do the same thing with the command cp, and we use the tty device for the console. So we type cp dev tty and the name of the file. To end the file we type Ctrl+D. The command cp, if combined with the console, can also show the file on the console. So we type cp space the name of the file and dev tty. So now we know how to use a command line to create a file in several operating systems without using a text editor.